Montesi Empire Paris.
Hello guys, welcome back again. It's your boy Montesi Empire Paris. On this video is about instant dreadlocks. When you have no hair, we can give you instant dreadlocks. But first, I have to show you guys the hair that I'll be using for this recipe. Guys, do not forget, if you're coming across this video for the first time, please do hit on the red button to subscribe. You can see how lovely this hair look and how is it going to be on the natural hair. But guys, before giving you the details of this hair, do visit our website at montesiempire.com. You can get the product of this hair. You can get any other product that will be useful to you. We have the product of body skincare, and we have the product of phone recipe and other things that you will need that will be necessary to you. Guys, let's watch this video from the beginning to the end. I may not be able to explain everything to you, but watch this video from the beginning to the end. But before I start this video, I'm just showing you guys how I make these instant dreadlocks. First, I have to make sure that the hair is on line and I cut it according to the way I want it. Then next, I place the hair on top of the one that was cut. Then I chook both together. You can see me how I'm doing it. I hope you're learning something as you're washing. Take a glass of water and relax and watch this video from the beginning to the end. Share it. Let's hear you on the comment section. You can see how I'm doing it. Now I'm almost done with the first patch. Then I'll be going to the next part of it. You can see. Let's go. On the next part of it, you can see I'm done with one line and you can drag it and it's not going to fall out. This is called instant dreadlocks, and even if you paste it on the water, it's not going to pull off. Here is when I'm cutting the line to get exactly what I want. So I counted the wigs that I'm going to be using, so I'll not be over or be lesser. So I have to make the line 2 parts and cut to the maximum of what I want. And then I share the hair and I counter the lines of what I need. Then I pack one side, I'll move to the other side. You can see me where I was dragging the hair and make sure that it goes round, and when choking it's not going to pull off. Let's watch to the next part. When you're choking, you have to be very more careful, because if you don't do it very careful, you're going to make sure that your hand is damaged. You can see I'm almost done in one side of the hair. I'm cutting the line. Guys, do you think it's possible for you to have a relaxer hair that is relaxed and turn it to natural dreadlocks? I mean, instant dreadlocks. Do you think it's possible? Let me hear you on the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay for that. Just click on the red button and you will subscribe. Yeah, I'm already done with one part of the hair. Guys, you can see she's totally changing. I packed it up to see if my line was good and if I'm doing a good job. It's you people out there that will tell me if I'm doing a good job. You can see now I'm moving on to the other side. I take my time to choke it, and I choke it carefully so I don't destroy my arms, because when you lose guard, you're going to make sure that your hands did not lose guard, because you're going to destroy your hands. And this pin is very, very sharp. Moving on to the other part, you can see we are almost done at the front. We'll be moving on to the other side. Wow, this look beautiful and this looks so matured. Instant dreadlocks. Can you imagine the someone that doesn't have hair before and now she has a long natural dread? Now I paste on my spray before making the treatment. I want to make sure that I turn the hair, and I don't want to do crochet. I don't want to have gallop, so I just make sure that I put the spray, and after I start to turn the hair. Let's wash. Now you can see where she's about to do her TikTok. I'm done with the hair. I want to pack it so I can give her a good style. I want to style the hair, so I just want something simple and something that is not going to stress her when she goes to work. So I pack the hair. Yeah, after packing the hair, guys, I take on my gel to do the turning, and I start to turn the hair, pick it one, then comb it. After combing, the down will get soft. Then you put on a little gel to make it look smooth. Then after that, you start to roll. You don't need crochet for this. You don't have to use crochet, because when you start to use crochet, later on, the hair will not be straight and will be giving you gallop. You can see I'm almost done with the turning of the hair, and look at the dam of the hair. It looks very neat. It looks very neat and very clean. So make sure you're learning something. I'm done with the front side of the hair, and I put on my spray. You can see how beautiful she is and how happy she is. Next on, I put on my mousse to make it look calm and make sure I don't have any stress. And she's very happy. Can't you see the way she's smiling? Because now she's a dread owner, not like when she came. You can see she's changing. Now I took off the pin before turning the hair into a braid. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you grabbed something from this video. And now, can you tell me how lovely this hair looks? And very straight. Now I'm turning the hair because I have to pick it everything together, and I have to style it, because she told me that in a working place they can't allow her to leave her hair like that. Yeah, it's me when I was turning and when I was trying to arrange the hair for her. Already done. Wow, can you see how beautiful she is? She's always smiling because she looks great. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love what you watch, and I hope you're going to tell me on the comment section. Goodbye.